All right, prime time. Here's the video to find the mini winners for my Big Ben Blaze Mini. We'll check the time here. Is March 18th at 7:47 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we've got March 18th at 7:47 p.m. Here's the list of our 24 entrants. We're going to randomize your names, and then whoever's in the top 2 spots after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we're looking for the top 2 after the final roll. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Last and final, looking for the top 2. It is Lance and Bob. Will both get spots in the main. So Lance, you'll have first pick. Bob, you'll have what's left. So Lance, you get 4. Bob, you get 2, I think it was. Let me just make sure of that. Yep, 4 and 2. So Lance, you get first shot at 4. So there's our verification code, our timestamp once again, March 18th at 7:47 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.